You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's find out. What is the Roman numeral, written as LX? Is that a date? Is that a number? And why? How do you say it? This is Roman numeral 60. L is for 50. L represents 50. X is 10. 50 plus 10, 60. Here are more examples of Roman numerals. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.